Hello, our lovely learners. My plane departs at 5 p.m. tomorrow. In this sentence, I have used present tense. Is it correct? If yes, why? If you're not sure, watch this video where we are going to explain how to use present tenses correctly to talk about the future. After watching this video, to boost your grammar skill, we have a free grammar quiz to check for yourself if you understand the rules correctly. Let's get started. Talking about the future, we usually use words such as tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, and so on. We can use present simple to talk about the future when we talk about timetables and programs, which are firm and unchangeable. Timetables are all around us for buses, trains, planes, films at the cinema or concerts. All of them have a timetable. It means we use present simple with them. Let's return to our example about the plane. The plane has a timetable. Its schedule is fixed. So, my plane departs at 5 p.m. tomorrow. You can talk about your work or some activities if they are fixed, like a timetable. For example, the meeting starts at 10:30 a.m. tomorrow. I start my new job tomorrow at 9 a.m. Present continuous is used to talk about the future if we have already decided to do something and have arranged our plans. Let's consider our example with the plane again. The plane to New York departs at 5 p.m. tomorrow. The flight has a fixed timetable, so we are using present simple. I am flying to New York at 5 p.m. tomorrow. Here I'm using present continuous because I have made some preparations for this trip. I have bought a ticket. Please compare. What time does your flight to New York depart tomorrow? Here I'm asking about the flight which has a fixed timetable. What time are you departing to New York tomorrow? Here I'm asking about personal plans which have been arranged. Does the play start at 8 p.m. tonight? Here I'm asking about the play which has a defined starting time. I'm visiting the theater at 8 p.m. tonight. In this example, I'm telling about personal plans which have been arranged. I hope this explanation was useful for you. Now for the quiz, please follow the link in the video description to do the grammar tasks and check for yourself if you understand the rules correctly. Thank you for watching, and if this video was useful for you, please don't forget to subscribe and like, as it is much appreciated. Thank you and goodbye.